Hello friend, my name is Chinmay Gaikwad and today date is 15 July 2023. So today I am going to give you the introduction on identifier and literals in Java. So first see the definitions. What are the definition of identifier and literal? So in Java programming, identifier and literals are important component used to represent and manipulate data. So they play a crucial role in defining variable, constants, method, classes, and other elements of a Java program. So let's take a closer look at what identifier and literals are and how they are used in Java. So first see what is identifier in Java. So identifier are the name given to entity such as variable, method, classes, package, interface in Java. So basically they act as unique identifier and are used to refer to this entity throughout the program. So there are some rules for naming identifier in Java. So first is like identifier must start with a letter, means capital A to Z or in lowercase a to Z, or underscore or dollar sign. So second is the subsequent character can be letters or digit 0 to 9 or underscore or dollar sign. And third rule is identifier are case sensitive, meaning means my variable first letter should be capital and my variable in small lowercase. So both has a different meaning in Java. So this will treat you as a two different identifier. So for this Java keyword cannot be used as a identifier because the keyword are already defined in the language. So it has a fixed size and its identity. So let's see the identifier example. So variable name. So it is like a gambling case. So first variable B means variable should be in lower case and name first letter should be in capital and other should be in lower. So and also next is underscore and count. Next is dollar sign and price and calculate area. So calculate should be in small and area first letter should be a capital. So this is a short intro of identifier. So let's discuss on literals in Java. So first is the what is the literals. So literals are fixed value that are directly used in code. They represent specific value of various data types such as integer, floating point numbers, character, string, boolean values. So there are some common types of literals in Java. So what are they? So first is integer literals. So what is integer literals? These represent whole number without a decimal point. Means for example 10 minus 5 mean 0 into ff or means hexadecimal. This is hexadecimal or 077, it's octal. So next is floating point literals. So these represent numbers with decimal points. Means for example 3.14 or minus zero point 0.5 or 1.0 e minus 5. So this is floating point literal. So let's see now character literals in literal. So what are character literals? It represent individual characters enclosed in single quotes. Means for example character are written in single quote. For example a in single quote we write character in single quote or in number in single quote or a single line or new line. So these character are written in single quoted. They are character literals. So next is the string literals. So, what single string literals represent sequence of characters enclosed in double quoted. For example, hello world. If you want to print as it is in Java, then you have to write it in double quoted to print the as it is. So we use double quoted in Java programming. So next is Boolean literals. So this represents the truth value, means true or false value. It's called Boolean literals. So it's at some example. Let's see, discuss some example of literals. So 42 means integer literals. Then 3.14 is floating point literals. In single quoted, if you write a, then it is character literals, and in double quoted, if you write hello world or anything message, then it is string literals, and if you write true, then it is boolean literals. So basically this is the short intro of literals and identifier. So both identifier and literals are the fundamental building blocks of Java program. So identifier help us name and reference different program elements, while literals provides the actual value that the program operates on. So by understanding the correctly using identifier and literals, so you can effectively use it in your Java program. So thank you, friends.